These sounds were picked up by organizations who monitor space. After hearing them, you will wonder what is causing them. Some are fully explainable, but others are mysterious. Could extraterrestrials be causing them? Who knows? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This video contains some space terminology that you probably won't understand, because I sure didn't. Number 5. The WOW signal. Picked up by Jerry Ehem on August 15, 1977, it was a narrowband radio signal emitting from outer space. While working on a project for the search of extraterrestrial intelligence, otherwise known as SETI, he came across the signal which was emitting from a globular cluster in the constellation Sagittarius. The signal was heard for 72 seconds, and after this, it was never heard again. Since then, many astronomers have been trying to find the signal, but have had no luck. After it was announced that a signal was found, the case received a considerable amount of media attention. There was speculation that the signal came from extraterrestrials. There has never been an official explanation for the cause of the signal. Some have ranged from comets to space debris. This is what the signal sounds like. Number 4. Sounds of Saturn. In 2002, a NASA spacecraft picked up a mysterious sound emitting from Saturn. NASA's Cassini spacecraft had found out that Saturn emits intense radio emissions. NASA said that the radio waves are closely related to the auroras near the poles of the planet. Some believe that alien speech can be heard in the emissions. This is what they sound like. Number 3. Frequency 4462.3. Also known as the second WOW signal, this was picked up by SETI in 2010. The signal was coming from a star called TYC 1220-91-1. This is a star that is 100 light years away, and it is almost identical to our Sun, but is much older than it. The signal only lasted 10 seconds, and the cause of it still remains unknown. This is what it sounded like. Number 2. VELA pulsar. A pulsar is a pulsating radio star. This is a highly magnetized rotating neutron star that emits beams of electromagnetic radiation. It's pretty much a giant hole that rotates, and during it releases electromagnetic waves. A specific one, known as the VELA pulsar, spins 11 times per second. The VELA pulsar is located in a constellation of VELA. It emits a strange sound which sounds like something you would hear in Apocalypse Now. This is what it sounds like. Number 1. Alien sounds. These sounds were picked up just a few miles above the Earth's atmosphere. Known as infrasounds, the last time they were picked up were 50 years ago. This was until early 2015. During an experiment, NASA noticed the sounds coming from just 22 miles above the Earth's surface. They then sent a balloon up with a microphone to investigate. What the microphone picked up was rather strange. It sounds like hissing and whistles. What's causing the sound remains unknown. However, infrasounds have been known to be caused by storms and other weather events. This is what they sound like. Thank you so much for watching. I'm a little bit ill while recording this, so if it sounds a bit off, then I'm sorry. But thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe to keep updated with our videos. Goodbye.